Hi there, my name is Dr. Jin Eslami. I'm a board certified periodontist. That means I'm a gum specialist. Today, I'd like to speak with you about where does inflammation start? Does it start in the gut? Does it start in your joints? Well, actually, inflammation starts in the mouth. So, when you notice bleeding gums, if you notice that there is some tenderness of the gums and some recession of the gums, don't think that you're not brushing well or you're not flossing well or you have to change your mouthwash. The truth is, there could be something going on more than what you're seeing from the gum tissue and the inflammation. Inflammation from the mouth can spread to the whole body. It can get into your joints, it can get into your gut, it can get into the heart, the lungs, and the brain. So if you notice inflammation, don't just think it's going to go away. Always have it evaluated.